How to track EveryPlate order. To basically track your EveryPlate order, you can either check your online account or use the tracking link provided by EveryPlate. Otherwise, what you can also do is, you can go ahead and open up a third-party service called AfterShip. This is AfterShip.com. Whenever you're on the website, it says pick one or more products you need. So we need tracking. I'll just select tracking for now. And once we've done that, we can choose to get started for free option right here. On the next page, we have to simply select our EveryPlate order details and so on. So after you create your account on the AfterShip website, you'll be able to go ahead and then track your EveryPlate order. But most likely, you can also open the EveryPlate app, go to your orders tab, and then you should be able to go ahead and then basically log in to your account, and then you'll be able to go ahead and then track your order. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.